Hello and welcome to video 3 in the last one of a 3-part series of operator training for salt loading customers. In video 1, we went over the scale components and some of the reference material for training. In video 2, we went over the data fields, how to select trucks, how to add buckets, and clear your totals. In this video, I'm going to go over a few functions that will help operators in a winter storm event or even at any time when they're using the loader. The first thing I want to go over is how to put the scale in standby when you're not loading salt. Maybe you are loading out 57s or doing some cleanup and you don't need to weigh anything. If we go back to the quick reference card, which I showed in video 1 and 2, this should be available. If not, contact me. My name is Melinda Tyree and I will get a digital copy sent out. Over here it shows how to put the scale in standby mode. So if we press this button, it's got a wrench on it. It's called the setup menu. Also got a little power indicator. If you press that down for 5 seconds, it's going to put it into standby. It will no longer be weighing. You can lift your boom, you can do what you need to do, and it won't be beeping at you. Any button, press it twice and it will wake it up. So again, we press the setup menu button for 5 seconds, puts it in standby. Any button will wake it up. The other functionality that I wanted to show you is how to control the light, how bright the light is, and also the contrast. You know, right now it's kind of hard to see on this video, but if you go into your setup menu and you scroll down to display, this is available for any operator to be able to set the light brightness and their contrast. You hit enter, go into the display. Now here, as far as light, you have 5 options. You got 1, which is really dark, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go into 3, and for you to select it and OK it, hit the OK button. Then we just change the brightness of the scale. You can also go into setup, scroll down to display, and you can change your contrast. So you go into contrast and hit enter, and you have the same 5 options. 1 is really light, so it's kind of opposite. 1 for the light function makes it really dark, whereas 1 for contrast makes it really light. And we can scroll through and see how the contrast changes. So let's go into 4 because that looks better on the screen and hit enter. I wanted to show you these because the way the scale looks in the middle of a day compared to 2 o'clock in the morning in the middle of a blizzard, you may need to adjust the brightness and may need to adjust the contrast of your scale. So that concludes video 3 for operator training. If you've missed any of the information, please go back to video 1 and video 2. They are all very short videos. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Again, this is Melinda Tyree. I'm located in Virginia, but we do cover 5 states. This is my contact information. Please feel free to reach out to us. You can call the 1-800 number and leave a message, and that message will be broadcasted to my whole team, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.